Hey Ford owners, listen up. There's a new engine issue flying under the radar that you need to know about, and no, you probably won't get a letter in the mail. Ford just sent out an internal message, SSM 53174, flagging a crankshaft bolt blunder that affects a ton of popular models with 2.7L and 3.0L gas engines. We're talking Bronco, Edge, Explorer, F-150, Ranger, and those Lincoln cousins like Aviator, Continental, MKX, MKZ, and Nautilus from about 2015 all the way to 2025. What's going on? Well, there's a mix-up in the parts catalog. Dealers have sometimes been ordering or installing the wrong crankshaft bolt during engine repairs. There are two bolts that look almost identical, but only one is correct, FT4Z6A340A. You'll know it by the KX1 stamped on the head. Here's the kicker. If the wrong bolt or the wrong torque is used, you might end up with engine damage, weird noises, or vibrations. Not cool. This isn't a recall, and it's not a TSB. It's an insider heads up for dealerships, but it's causing real headaches out there. Just check out what real drivers are saying online. One F-150 owner wrote, "After my crankshaft was replaced, my truck started making a loud knocking noise at idle and the check engine light came on." Another said, "My Explorer vibrates like crazy at stoplights after engine work. Dealer says it's normal, but it never did this before." And a Lincoln owner posted, "I keep hearing a metallic rattle on cold starts and now my car hesitates when accelerating. The dealer can't figure it out." So what can you do? If your Ford or Lincoln had engine work recently, especially crankshaft jobs, ask your service advisor if they used the right bolt, FT4Z6A340A per SSM 53174. Be on the lookout for specific symptoms, metallic knocking or rattling noises, especially at startup or idle, strong vibrations through the steering wheel or seats, engine warning lights popping up, or sudden loss of power and hesitation when accelerating. These are all red flags reported by real owners dealing with this bolt issue. If you hear funny noises or feel vibrations after a repair, mention this advisory and get it checked out. If this saved you a hassle, hit like, subscribe for more car info, and drop a comment if you've had engine work or want help talking to your dealer. Stay smart, don't let this bolt blunder bite you.